guys, come over here. Come over here. Today I'm going to make some curry chicken feet. So guess what? Come with me to the kitchen. Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. Boom! Yes, yes, welcome back, welcome back, my people. Welcome back. So, I know you've been wondering how he's not cooking any chicken feet. No, I don't forget about the chicken feet. Today we are going to cook chicken feet. The day for the chicken feet. We're going to have curry chicken feet today. Okay, guys? So I'm going to just jump right into it. I'm jump right into it right now, right into it, and I'm going to just season my chicken foot, and I'm going to start. Okay? Here I have my chicken feet. I have my garlic powder, which that is so regular. So I'm first pouring some garlic powder. Guys, give my chicken foot a pedicure. Then I have my all-purpose seasoning here. I'm gonna add a little all-purpose seasoning too as well. Okay. I have my curry, my special, because we're making curry stew chicken feet. It's curry stew, because I'm going to use okra. So I'm making curry stew. Okay? And I have my chicken seasoning here. This is my Maggi chicken seasoning. So I'm just using Maggi chicken seasoning here. All right, guys. It's a little. We don't use salt. We just use seasoning to taste. Okay, guys, and we have this. This is another all-purpose. So we're gonna be using this one too, a little bit of this one. All right, just a little bit. All right, guys, that is it. Now I'm gonna just mix that up real fast, and I'm going to jump into the cooking of my chicken foot. So guys, I love my wooden spoon, so I use my wooden spoon most of the time. Okay, guys, chicken feet take a little more time to cook than the chicken, so for the chicken feet, here we go, guys. I have my orange bell pepper. I have my red bell pepper. I have my carrot. Over here, I have my onion. I have my pepper. Habanero. And I have my garlic. I have my garlic. Garlic is my specialty. And also I have my scallion. I have my scallion right here. I have my thyme right here. And I have some cilantro. All of this is going into my chicken feet. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump right into it right now. I'm going to get this thing rolling. Okay? A little grapeseed oil. Guys, in my grapeseed oil, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add me some curry, because I like to burn my curry. So I'm going to add a little curry so my curry can get burned. Before my oil get too hot, I'm going to just add my chicken foot. Guys, I'm just spinning this in the pot for a little bit, then I'm going to add water. I just want this to get the color. So I'm going to add my water. Guys, chicken food take a longer time to cook than the chicken, so I have to add a good portion of water so we get enough time to cook. Now I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to crush my garlic. And also I'm going to just add some pepper. And also I'm going to add my carrot. I'm going to add my chopped carrot. My chopped carrot can enter. That's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to mash out. It's just chopped carrot. Okay, guys? In the meantime, I'm adding my thyme. Then I'm going to just cover this and leave it for 20 minutes before I add the rest of my seasoning to it and my okra, because I'm making stew.
Making chicken foot stew. Chicken foot stew. So I'm going to be using a lot of okra.
Stew, curry chicken foot stew. So you know this stew, you have to use a lot of okra for this stew, guys. A lot of okra. And now I'm using 3 because these potatoes are very small. So I'm going. I'm going to add my okra into my bowl. My okra and my green onion, my scallion. So I can have space. And also my cilantro. There you go, guys. So yes, guys, so I have some small chunks of chicken. Very small chunks of chicken. I chopped up. And I have some shrimp. I'm cutting these shrimp in half. Guys, for this, I'm just gonna add just a little chicken seasoning, all-purpose chicken seasoning, and I'm just gonna dry rub this a little bit, not a lot. That's all I'm gonna put in there. And then I'm going to add it to my chicken foot. I'm going to add this to my This is chicken foot stew, guys. So I'm adding the chicken and the shrimp towards this. I'm going to add more water. I'm going to wait for 15 more minutes and then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. 15 more minutes and I'm going to add all the other ingredients, guys. So I'm leaving this to boil. "15 more minutes, guys. I will be right back. 15 more minutes. And then I'm going. So right now, I'm going to just add some more ingredients to the stew, okay? Because right now I have my shrimp, my chicken foot, and also my chicken. Now is the time to add my potato, my chopped potato. And also in my bowl right here, I have some cilantro. I have okra. I have a lot of okra because I'm making stew. A lot of okra and green onion, scallion. And also I have the other onion. I like to make this onion visible, big. It's gonna go away anyway. And also I have here bell pepper, two kind of bell pepper, the red and the orange. So I'm gonna add all of this into my stew, guys. Okay, I'm gonna add some more water. I'm gonna mix this up properly and I'm gonna add water to cover my stew So it can, everything in here can be boiled. Because it's gonna be cooked down really, 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 really nice. Okay, guys? So guys, this is chicken foot stew. Chicken foot stew. Okay. So guys, I'm adding water. I'm adding water. I have to have enough water. I have to add enough water now. All right, guys, this water is gonna boil down. So don't worry about the water. Don't think about, oh, I'm adding too much water. No, I'm not adding too much water. Okay? That's enough water. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of total seasoning, or you can add your all-purpose. I'm gonna add a little bit more total seasoning right here. That's enough for that. And I'm going to add, everyone have this seasoning. I don't have to call the name. I'm not advertising for them. Everyone have this one. It is everywhere to find. Right? So you can just add a little bit of it. Okay, guys, you know the best one is the black pepper. The best one is the black pepper, guys. Do you believe the best one is the black pepper? Tell me. Tell me anyone believe that the best one is the black pepper. No, you're wrong. You are wrong. You can't guess. The Maggi. The Maggi. I call this Mrs. Maggi. This is a liquid. So I just put some inside here. You can put the amount what you think. It's not a lot you have to use. Because this is very good, right? And of course you have to be spicy. So I have ground chili. The chili I put in there, that was for the flavor. But this one, gonna let it a little spicy. This one gonna give it a kick. So I'm putting ground chili. All right. That's the last thing I'm putting in here, guys. Nothing more. Nothing more. And now I'm gonna cover this down, and it's gonna be boiled. All these okra are gonna become in one. Okay, guys, cause this is stew. Then I'm gonna make some rice. While I'm doing it, I keep taking out my time stem. I don't need no time stem in there. I make the time. The time is already boiled in with the chicken foot and the chicken. So guys, oh, this is looking so delicious. Look at that. It's looking so delicious already, and you're not even start to eat it yet. Look at that. Look at that. What else do you want? What else do you want? I'm not putting any salt. I'm only gonna make a little bowl of rice, and that's gonna be great. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna say, let me cover this down like that. Bam! That's gonna be it. I see you back in this one in another 20 minutes. It's on a medium flame. Don't worry about it. You have enough water in it. It's not gonna burn. It's not gonna stick to the pot. Every like 5 minutes, I will come and I spin it over, turn it, so everything can cook evenly. Okay, guys? Not a big deal. Let's see you in. Yes, guys. So look, guys. This is 15 minutes after. 15 minutes after. Guys, this is 15 minutes after. Look at that. I still have another 10 minutes more, cause all these okra have to get mashed out. So guess what? You can just eat this without anything else. So right now I'm going to make a little bit of spinach. bit of flour. Okay, guys, a little bit of flour. I'm adding a pinch, just a pinch of salt. See that? Very small pinch of salt. You hardly can see that. Okay, guys? And also, I'm adding a little bit of chicken seasoning, the Maggi. That is it. That is it. And then I'm gonna use water. I'm gonna use water to make my spinners. I'm using my wooden spoon just to mix it up. And then I'm gonna catch a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water, not a lot, because I don't want to spoil my spinners. I'm making my dough for my spinners. Guys, this is Jamaican stew. Okay, guys? So we call this stew chicken foot. Stew chicken foot. So, watch me on my spinners, guys. This is how I make my spinners. This is making my dough for dumpling. This is how we make dough for dumpling real quick. So guys, they put little water. Look, you see that? That dough is almost ready already, you see? Guys, so this is the dough for my spinners. So guys, I just do like this and I roll it. I just do like this. That is called a spinners. That is called a spinners. Okay, guys? So you make the dough and you roll it like this in your palm. Roll your hand together like that. That is it. Just like that, guys. Making your spinners. Just like that. Guys, as I go along, I keep stripping my stew because there's time stem. So I keep taking out all the time stem. As I find them, I just take them out. Okay? Because I put a lot of time in there. Okay, guys? Guys, if you notice, I don't put anything in there to thicken it. It's gonna be thickened by itself. I'm still rolling my spinners. I'm still rolling my spinners. Same thing as yours. Guys, this is up in the video. I don't know guys. This is what chicken meat. Jamaican chicken foot. We got chicken guys. America, we got chicken meat. Jamaican, we got chicken foot. Yes, guys. So that's it for spinners. Come more. I'm gonna add this here. Just a little bit of tahini. And I can also add some more cilantro. Cilantro is good for your bowel. If you don't know, if you are allergic to certain things, when you're using cilantro, you don't know how that go. It helps you to your digesting system. Guys, you see how this is coming together? Oh my God, this stew is really looking so good. Only thing I need, I'm gonna add a little bit more water, because your stew should have a lot of juice, and the okra is not yet all, and the dumpling, which we call the spinners, is not yet cooked because I just added. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water, just a little bit more water for this stew. I don't even have to add any more water, but let me add a little more water. Okay. Here's another timestamp, guys. I take out all my timestamp, all of my timestamp. The longer you leave it, it's better it is. The more water you put to your stew, the better it is. You have more gravy. And this chicken foot is very cooked. They're tender. And everything is almost ready in the pot. The last thing is the spinners. And the spinners only take like 3 minutes to cook. They said when you put the last spinners in the pot, the first one is ready. Yes, guys. When you put the last spinners in the pot, the first one is ready to eat. Okay? That's how quick it is to cook. So look at that. That is stew, curry stew. Guys, look at this stew. Look at this stew. Look at this stew. This stew is ready. Guys, this stew is totally ready. I'm going to just turn the stove off. Bam. And I'm going to go ahead and make my rice. Here is another piece of timestamp. Look at that. Guys, this stew, look at that stew. Look at that. So this rice is called vegetable rice. So first thing I have pure water. Only water. Then I'm gonna add half a cup of mixed vegetable. Half a cup. I'm a good judger. And I am going to add 2 of this pepper. I'm going to chop it up small. This is not hot. This is not hot pepper. This is just I add 1 nice scoop of butter. Here in my hand 1 Maggi cube. So I'm going to just open my Maggi cube and crush it. I'm going to crush this Maggi cube. 1 Maggi. I'm going to add just a little total seasoning. That is it. And I'm going to make this boil for a minute. I have here my thyme. I'm going to add some thyme. So guys, I'm going to chop a little scallion right here. I'm going to chop this scallion. I'm chopping them larger chunks than how I cut them. So guys, I'm going to leave this to boil for 3 minutes before I add my rice. So guys, this is 5 minutes later. I'm going to add my rice. Guys, I always wash my rice into a sieve. The reason why I wash my rice into a sieve, the water don't stays, okay? So I'm just gonna add okay, guys. So guys, when you're making your rice should be 1/2 inch underneath the water. The water should be covered the rice 1/2 inch, not more than 1/2 inch. So when you make it 1/2 inch over, you just turn it on a low flame, and that low flame will just steam the rice. Okay guys, I'm stripping my rice right away. I'm taking out the timestamp. If you notice, I always take out the thyme stem. As soon as the thyme leaf is boiled, I took out the stem because the stem doesn't do anything for you. Okay? So now my rice is washed and it's in the pot. I turn my stove all the way down to the lowest flame I have, and then I cover it over. The water is 1/2 inch over the rice, and I leave that there for 15 minutes. See, the rice is ready. Look at it. It's ready. The rice is ready. See that? It's ready. So guys, that is it for the rice and the curry chicken feet. It's ready. So just kick back, relax, and just give it a little bit, because I always make my food dry, cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna make. Yes guys, so this is my final plate of my stew chicken foot. Yes guys, so look, this is the final of my stew chicken foot and rice. Look at that. That's it. You see that gravy? Ah. You see that gravy? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna be demolishing this food. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on this stew, because this stew, it's so nice by just looking at it. I know, right? Guys, this is okra stew. Okra stew. Man, this is good. This is like, look at the chicken. Guys, this is the spinners. Guys, this is really, 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 really good. You're supposed to try this. This is the potato. The spinners. Avocado. Yeah, it's good to be here. So guess what? Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Check in my bio. You get the whole recipe. Peace out.